my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Queen Aniki. So guys, in this today tutorial, although it's a short video, but I got to let you guys know how to lay edges. So guys, watch carefully and see how I'm laying the edges. Can you see, guys? Just pay attention and you guys will love laying your edges. Can you see, guys? So this particular gel that I'm using is black edge control. So you can use any of your favorite edge control, but this particular one I'm using black one. I love using black edge control. Can you see, guys? So you first of all apply it, you use your brush to brush it out, then you begin to lay it, as you can see what I'm doing here. So you take your time. As a beginner, you lay it very well, you don't need to rush yourself. Can you see? You first of all apply the wax, then you brush it out before you start laying the edges. Can you see, guys? Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. If this video is helpful to you guys, please go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up. Share this video to your friends and family. As you all know, sharing is part of caring. So guys, can you see? This video is a short tutorial, but you guys got to learn something different. Can you see? Just take your time to lay the edges. If you're a beginner, don't rush yourself. Can you see? Now we are done. This is the final look. See how pretty the baby face is looking. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you in my next tutorial. Please share this video to your friends and family. Leave a comment in the comment section. Give the video a big thumbs up. Share to your friends and family. Bye bye. Can you see? This is the box braid. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. I love you. Oh, can you see my client? She's in love with the baby hair, both the edge control and the braid. Can you see? She love her braid. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.